I'm in a 2012 Dodge Avenger, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll go down, and you should see this lever here that will pull. That pop sound was the safety releasing up front. If you don't feel any resistance with this, you might need to go inside this plastic and make sure the cables are all still attached, because those are necessary to pop the hood latch. So now that we did that, go to the front, and you can see the hood's a little loose now. Most vehicle models, there's a lever towards the middle. So this one here, we're going to push and lift. So push and lift. And then I'm going to use this little arm here to hold it up. So that's holding it up for me. This is what that lever looked like. So make sure there's nothing bent out of place, no debris in here that needs cleaned up. If this is sticking a lot, you might maybe some WD-40 to loosen it. This is what the top looked like where it was hooked onto. So again, make sure nothing's bent out of place. Same thing, make sure all your hood's in proper alignment. So if this doesn't close straight, that might cause issues opening it. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.